everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'll be styling biker shorts in different ways. So let's get started with the video.
I have paired tank top with these biker shorts to give a sporty look to the outfit. In the second look, I am wearing this orange spaghetti with biker shorts to give a cool summer look. In the third outfit, I am wearing this tiger print top to give a party look with these biker shorts. The last outfit, I'm wearing this purple spaghetti top to give an amazing look for the summer season.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please do like this video, and you can also share it with your friends and let me know in the comment section which outfit did you like the most. And if you really like what I'm doing, then also subscribe to my channel as well. And have a great day. Bye.